Many teams assume that deploying a custom artificial intelligence assistant requires a team of software developers and a large engineering budget. However, the rise of no-code AI builders has made it possible for professionals and small business owners to create custom assistants in a single afternoon. These assistants can handle specific business tasks, such as answering customer FAQs, onboarding new team members, or summarizing internal documentation. In this video, we will explain how to build a custom AI assistant without writing a single line of code. We will evaluate the leading no-code platforms, explain how to structure your instructions, and discuss how to connect your business data securely. We will also address potential deployment channels, such as website widgets and internal messaging tools. We will walk through the core logic blocks, knowledge database setups, and API connectors that drive these tools. By understanding these structural components, you can configure an assistant that handles complex customer flows and internal queries with minimal maintenance. Our goal is to provide a clear, step-by-step roadmap that shows you how to design a practical, functional assistant that matches your brand's operational needs and improves your team's workflow efficiency. First, let us examine the initial setup phase, which involves configuring instructions and structuring your knowledge base. To build an assistant, you must choose a builder platform. OpenAI's custom GPT builder is a popular choice for teams already using ChatGPT+, while platforms like Coz, VoiceFlow, and Chatbase offer more flexible customization and external integrations for public websites. Once you select a platform, the first step is defining the assistant's instructions. A common mistake is writing vague instructions such as, "Be helpful and professional." Instead, you must write detailed instructions that specify the assistant's role, the target audience, the exact steps it should take to answer a query, and how it should handle information gaps. For example, you should instruct the assistant to only answer questions based on the uploaded files and to state, "I do not have access to that information," when a query falls outside the knowledge base. This is crucial for preventing hallucinations. The next step is building the knowledge base itself. You can upload reference documents such as PDF manuals, customer service guidelines, and product catalogs. The assistant uses retrieval-augmented generation to search these documents and extract answers, ensuring that its responses are grounded in your actual business facts rather than generic training data. When formatting documents for the knowledge base, make sure to remove outdated information and duplicate text. Clean, well-structured files lead to more precise search results. You can also organize your documents into specific folders to help the AI search more efficiently. For instance, creating separate folders for pricing, customer policies, and technical guidelines allows the assistant to locate the correct reference document quickly, reducing response latency. Second, once the basic setup is complete, you can expand the assistant's capabilities by connecting dynamic data sources and API triggers. Static documents are useful for policy manuals, but many business tasks require real-time information. No-code platforms allow you to link your assistant directly to cloud storage folders on Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. This connection ensures that whenever you update a product pricing sheet or policy document in your shared folder, the assistant automatically accesses the latest version without requiring you to re-upload files manually. This keeps your assistant's knowledge base fresh and accurate. These dynamic updates are particularly useful for product listings or availability calendars. You can set the system to refresh its cache daily or weekly. This ensures the assistant is sharing current pricing and guidelines. Furthermore, advanced no-code builders allow you to configure API actions using tools like Zapier. For instance, you can create a custom action that triggers a zap whenever a user requests a consultation. The assistant can gather the user's name and email in the chat interface, trigger the API action, and automatically schedule the meeting in your Google Calendar. When setting up these connections, it is important to verify the permissions of your shared folders. Ensure the assistant only has read access to the specific files it needs, rather than your entire cloud drive, to protect sensitive business data. When configuring API connections, make sure to test them in a sandboxed environment first. This helps verify that tasks are created with the correct dates and contact details before you open the assistant to the public. Finally, we must discuss how to deploy your custom assistant and monitor its performance. Building the assistant is only useful if your team or customers can access it easily. If you built your assistant using custom GPTs, you can share it with specific team members via a link or publish it to your enterprise workspace. If you used a web-based builder like VoiceFlow or Chatbase, you can embed the assistant on your public website as a chat widget by copying a short snippet of HTML code. You can also integrate it directly into internal communication tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams, allowing your staff to query the knowledge base without leaving their daily workspace. Once deployed, the final step is continuous monitoring. Most builder platforms provide an analytics dashboard where you can review user conversation logs. You should regularly audit these logs to identify common questions that the assistant struggled to answer or cases where its tone was incorrect. This data allows you to update your base instructions and add missing reference documents, steadily improving the assistant's accuracy over time. Regular monitoring also helps you spot where users get stuck. If multiple users ask a question that the assistant cannot resolve, it indicates a gap in your knowledge base. You can quickly fill this gap by creating a brief text file containing the answer and uploading it to your shared folder. This iterative refinement process is the key to building a reliable, low-maintenance AI system for your business operations. By taking a systematic approach to deployment and maintenance, you can ensure your no-code assistant remains a valuable, reliable asset for your business. Signal Stack AI helps professionals, creators, and small teams understand the AI tools that actually matter. Each video breaks down one workflow, one tool category, or one automation strategy without hype, jargon, or fake promises. If you want to save time, build smarter systems, and stay ahead of the AI curve, this channel gives you clear, practical explanations you can use immediately. This video is general technology education, not a guarantee of productivity gains, software stability, or business revenue. AI tool features, pricing, and terms of service change frequently.